Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can speed up your Temu delivery, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see currently, I'm on Temu and I have these items in my cart. However, I'm going to go ahead and add another item to my cart just to show you guys one thing which will happen if you add a certain type of product. Now, what I'm going to do is add this one. These are some wireless earbuds. So I'm just going to add that to my cart, and then we're going to go to the checkout. Now, I have these four items in my checkout. I have these earphones, I have this coin, I have this here brush, and I have this here wrench. Now, what you'll see is that you have the shipping methods. Once you fill out your address, you'll see your shipping methods available here, and you have the standard, which takes 3 or 4 to 8 business days, usually 4 to 8, and then you have pickup, and then you have free. Or express. Now, standard is, of course, it'll be delivered to your door, but it is the cheaper option, and you will get your items delivered to you. Same goes with express, except it's 1 day faster. Usually it is 4 to 8 business days for standard and 3 to 7 for express. I'm not sure why it says 3 to 8 here, possibly because of the different items. And then pickup is also available for certain items. Some of these are not available. For example, I'm pretty sure it's not available for these earphones, and as you can see, certain items are banned from express shipping, such as electronics, knives, liquids, and pastes. I'm not sure why the coin fits into that category, but it is what it is. And for pickup, as you can see, this has been restricted from pickup, and that is pretty much it. So if you want the express shipping, which is the way that you want to speed up your delivery, just remove these items that don't fit, and then go ahead and click here, and then you'll have the ability to select express shipping, and once you order it, it'll arrive within 3 to 7 business days, and as you'll see, 4 to 8 for standard. And that is pretty much the only way in which you can speed up your order, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.